Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can add Klarna to Shopify. So it's a very simple steps, you just have to follow the step. So it's a very simple step, make sure that you watch this video till the end. First of all, what you have to do is you need to go to the Shopify app and then log in into your account. When you're logged into your Shopify account, then it's gonna take you to the home page. So from the home page, you could go ahead and tap on the search box or go to the app section and locate Klarna. When you actually go ahead and locate Klarna, go ahead and select that. On the next field, you need to go ahead and add it to your account. When you've actually done that, go to your home page and then you need to go to apps and sales channel. Then you need to select Klarna USB. When you actually press on it or tap the three dot icon next to it, and when you actually do that, then next you need to go ahead and activate it. So follow the prompt, and with that you'll have successfully added Klarna to your Shopify. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.